try to keep my heart in line, try to play it cool, take my time. But every time you step into my space, baby, you rewrite my mind. You don't even have to try too hard. You just smile and I fall apart, like a melody I know by heart. Still it hits me like a spark. I tell myself stay strong, stay still, but my soul don't listen, it never will. Every glance from you breaks my wheel, and I'm drifting deeper still. Oh baby, I fight it, but I feel it more, like the waves keep crashing on my lonely shore. No matter how I lock that door, you're the key I can't ignore. Love without control,